Updating your primary email on Chase Bank is a straightforward process that can be done online. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and you receive important notifications. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile and Preferences section. This is usually found in the Account menu or Settings area. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile and Preferences section, look for an option labeled Contact Information or Email Preferences. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is now your primary contact. Make sure to check your new email for a confirmation message from Chase Bank. Keeping your email updated is essential for receiving important account information and alerts.